Hey health seekers, welcome back to Healing Supplements. Today we'll explore elderberry's science-backed benefits, the signs you may need more, top food and supplement sources, why it's a game changer for older adults, and how it pairs with saw palmetto for total wellness. Let's dive in. The incredible health benefits of elderberry, why you need it. What if a single dark purple berry could cut your cold in half and protect your heart and brain? Stick around, elderberry's benefits might surprise you. What it is. Black elderberry, Sambucus nigra, a tiny fruit packed with vitamin C, anthocyanins, quercetin, and fiber. Quick history. Used since Hippocrates called it his medicine chest. Core concept. Acts as both an antioxidant shield and immune modulator, not an essential vitamin but a functional food. Antioxidant defense. Anthocyanins neutralize free radicals, lowering oxidative stress. Immune tuning. Flavonoids help innate immune cells identify viruses faster while damping excess cytokine release. Anti-inflammatory action. Downregulates NF-κB, supporting joint comfort and heart health. Benefit number 1. Shorter colds and flu. Meta-analysis shows symptoms cut approximately 50% when taken less than 48 hours after onset. Benefit number 2. Faster recovery. 2024 trials show up to 4 days quicker resolution versus placebo. Benefit number 3. Year-round immune strength. 2025 meta-analysis confirms reduced upper respiratory tract infection incidence. Benefit number 4. Heart and vascular support. Improves endothelial function and LDL oxidation markers. Benefit number 5. Blood sugar balance. Polyphenols slow carb digestion and improve insulin response. Benefit number 6. Cognitive aging. 2024 randomized controlled trial showed older adults had faster visuospatial processing and lower inflammation. Elderberry isn't a vitamin you can be clinically deficient in, but you might feel a lack of its phytonutrients if you catch every seasonal bug. Struggle with slow recovery. Have high oxidative stress markers, for example, elevated CRP. Eat few deeply colored fruits and veggies. Encourage viewers to keep a food diary to see if they meet the 5 colors a day rule. Whole food first. Fresh or frozen berries, DIY syrup, approximately 1 tablespoon per day. Herbal teas, low-sugar jams, supplement forms, standardized extract or gummies, 300 to 600 milligrams per day of 10, 1 extract. Look for third-party certifications, USP, NSF, ISO. Raw or unripe berries and leaves are toxic, always heat process. Immune senescence makes over 60S slower to produce antibodies. Elderberry boosts frontline defenses. Antioxidant load counters age-related oxidative stress linked to cardiovascular and brain aging. Elderberry. Immune and oxidative protection. Saw palmetto. Traditionally supports prostate and hormonal balance. Typical dose equals 320 milligrams per day. Together they cover 2 of the biggest male aging pain points, staying well and staying comfortable. Briefly note that evidence for saw palmetto is mixed. Viewers should monitor symptoms and consult a professional. General dose. 150-600 milligrams per day standardized extract or 1-2 tablespoons syrup. Safety, rare GI upset, avoid raw berries, consult a doctor if pregnant, immunocompromised, or on diuretics. Stacking tip. Pair with vitamin C-rich foods for synergistic antioxidant recycling. Ready to give elderberry a try? I've linked my trusted lab-tested supplement in the comment below. Smash that like, subscribe, and bell so you never miss a natural health deep dive. Have you tried elderberry or saw palmetto? Share your story or questions below. I respond to every comment. Until next time, stay healthy, stay curious.